Hi, today I'm whipping up my porridge with walnuts and banana, which you can find in page 4 of the Meals for Immunity recipe book. This is a super easy, quick and convenient brekkie. I'm just going to add in 1 cup of rolled oats, which are naturally high in prebiotic fibre, which your gut bugs are going to love, straight into the saucepan. I have 2 cups of reduced fat milk as well, straight in. I'm going to throw in some cinnamon and also some turmeric, which is great for its anti-inflammatory properties. 1 cup of water. And for some really delicious flavour, I'm just going to grate in some ginger. I've already peeled off the skin by using a teaspoon, which is a lot easier than using a knife. And that's all the prep work done. So now I'm just going to heat up my porridge on the stove behind me. I've just left the oats on the stove to come up to a simmer now. And now it looks perfect and ready to go. So I'll just pour straight into the bowl, which is perfect. Add some crushed walnuts, straight in. I have some natural Greek yogurt, which is great for protein to maintain muscle mass, but also for the calcium. Some chopped up banana on the side. And a nice drizzle of honey for some natural sweetness. And there we go. My oats with turmeric, banana and yogurt.